Yo, with your boy M, it is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. On today's episode, ngizophethe uSipho with a confession to make umngani wakhe uMandla. Let's get into it.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguSipho. Ngizela kule show kuzoconfessa umngani wami ukuthi ngeafter 9. Uyazi ukuthi ngino girl but nama feelings for her.
Yo, with your boy M, it is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. As I said to you guys earlier on, ngizoba ngiphethe uSipho nomngani wakhe uMandla, right?
Right ubhuti wena?
Ngimnandi. Uyamazi ubhuti ngaba naye?
Ngiyamazi ubhuti.
Ubani?
Umngani wami lo.
Umngani wakho? How long have you guys been friends?
Yo, since sakhula vele isikolo yonke into sifunde sonke. Yeah, like yo.
Also from childhood vele.
Yeah, like uma wakhe noma wami. Abangani basebenza nasendawonye Ferry. So obvious nami ngenza music, mangenza music, maqala uyathanda nayo ucula. Yeah, so sihlangana vele alento leyana kakhulu.
Music. Okay.
Yeah, so jalo vele hayi sisuka siso.
Oh, okay. Umuntu onjani uSipho?
Umaqala hayi awuthe grandi yonke into vele mangenza yonke into izinto ngizenza naye vele music vele hayi khona vele ingoma ezikhona ku YouTube ngacheck uwizivele na kanjani ku YouTube sikhona vele ingoma mawumamela vele uzobona vele ukuthi hayi
Ona yenza music naye.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Kula vele ayi vocalist vele nami ngi vocalist khona vele producer yethu Maraya sihlangane vele kakhulu hlanganiswe kahle
music.
Yeah, ne family kahle umama noma wakhe.
Oh, okay. So Sipho angitshele ngomngani wakho umuntu onjani yena?
Umuntu ograndi, atham. Yeah. Ngoba sho sikhule sonke, sigela sicede sonke.
Lo nifunde esikoleni esi1.
Besifunda sonke.
Okay. So nisuke ekudeni?
Primary until high school.
Oh.
Saceda.
Naqala ukwenza music no you.
Since siqale vele music vele saseba suthane sibancane vele music.
Okay. Athi singamchithela isikhathi ke ngicela umtshela ukuthi umlethele kule show lena before. Yeah.
Okay. Mngana uMandla lethela awuthama ukuthi zo confessa ukuthi after 9 awuthama wo.
Ini?
Yeah, something like that to talk like nama feelings for yena nika yawo. This one another is something like
Wayanda?
Dog. Yeah, ngiyajola naye but nika akanginika
ngitshela ukuthi izolo kube kuyenzakala nani mangibuya vele nami noPiwi lapho yazi.
Esiphumara mfethu like nje yabo ngoba nje ngipalela le show le just for ukuthi nje
manje ungilethela mina ukuthi uzongitshela lama simple ngitshela wona.
Yeah,
ukuthi wena igay wena kahle kusholo wena igay.
It's not like ngiki but
Mara uyasho musi
nama feelings for wena like ngenze njani because of like uyangichaza amadimpulo
zakho maqala kusho ukuthi wena kahle yonke into mina mangilivele ngiyenza ama beat isicula wena awena njalo useka mina bengiculela kusho ukuthi wena mawucula le ngoma liboculela mina kahle boculela mina le ngoma
ayikho kanjalo awuthama but
kusho ukuthi kwenzakala
engizama ukusho ukuthi like ngiyakunaka awuthama wo
uthanda ini
imizwa yabo imizwa if you have feelings dog
mina ngiloku ngithi singabangani muthi.
Yeah, we are friends, nigga, but I have feelings for you, dog. Something like that, nigga.
Aqala nini nama feelings ukudevelopa for umngani wakho?
It's been long time, man.
So
maybe Timbo, the time social ngoma, ukhumbula social ngoma le
uthando.
Yeah, nigga.
So kusho ukuthi wena kahle ubhala ngami. Awubhala ngayo.
Ngayibeka that way ukuthi vele bengibhala ngawe yabo.
Ukulethe studio bese kuzobhala ngami ingoma.
Dog.
So wena bongayiboni into leyo ukuthi okay mhlambe lo muntu lo udlalela inye team
njalo siphuma vele nabogeli vele hayi sine scheme vele baningi abogeli vele sinokuploma nawo like sometimes siba change hlele naloya naye masihamba ahambe nabo like boba yenza abangani bakho macala
Yeah.
like ubayenza abangani bese ucabanga mina
like ama feelings akuwe awo ngaba khona ayanda but
wayanda umyenzani yini into yenza noyanda
So kahle uyibhayo uthanda both sides, male and female.
yeah ngasho kanjalo something like that chief like I feelings for you dog
amacala ngathi umngani nani yonke lento le mfana ngazi
how
ngitshela ngisho nama royalties mawaphuma kule ngoma lezi I feel like ngizonika uma wakho or someone because of
Wena bonga jump uthi umngane wakho udlale lenye team. Bonga next suspectayo mhlambe.
angibona ngamacici feri bengisanokumtshela ukuthi amacala amacici awani mara
Amacici kuphela into ekwenze
kakhulu hiloko mara like njalo macala bekangena inkinga ukuthi mangigeza abakhona la esayidini kahle wena macala lokho ngibhekile yangihalela macala like yo
I have feelings for you
hayi
yangichaza
macala
look at your face nigga
like yabo
ama dimples zakho
like
yini amplashela manje.
no like ukuhleka yazi ukuthi uyangihlekisa like uyangihlekisa like lento le ayisebenzi
shoot like now
no like ukuhleka yazi ukuthi ngihlekiswa yini ukuthi like hey macala uyenza izinto ezidomo like izidomo uma ku 9 months yonke macala athi uzala umjito right kanti uzozala istabani
no
istaba after 9 macala macala iyaphela macala lento le ukuthi silebele diploma sonke ngilethe studio mangithenga igawulu hawu mfethu like wena macala bobona uthando lapha uvela ukuthi hayi uyowanyempela no
manje mawuthi yaphela usho kanjani mngane
ngisho ukuthi like yabo like
we still usingabangani mos mina nawe usho ukuthini ngosho kanjani
ubungane lobo wena obuchintsha ubuyenza like ngizoyibeka kanjani wena uthatha umngane wakho umenza umuntu wakho actually uqonda usho ukuthi wena ngithanda kayiso phela mothi ngumngane wakho ngapho ukuthuna ama feelings ungiletha kuma TV bheka manje namhlanje kukhulu bathini abantu mababheka la
angithi ngizama ukuconfess ukuthi babone ukuthi I have feelings for you dog no ayanda nayabona ukuthi kahlahle ngumuntu kanjani
udlala ngaye
yeah into efana nalezo yabo
uzothina umntwana ama ngibona ngihamba nesititi bese umfana sifana nawe bese ke hey uyazi lo
So umuntu oqala lo uba nama feelings naye.
yeah umuntu oqala nje
Abekho abanye kuba nama feelings kubo.
yini macala enhleki mara macala yazi ukuthi injani lento le ngizokufonela ngeke ngifonela because of prefer ufonela uma wakho siso wakho ya masi imali khona nanoma kunegigi mngane wami I feel like ngizohamba namanye ama-agents lawa vele
angeke ukwazi ungishiya phela ngumngane wakho
mara nale yangoma le I feel like angeke ngiyidelete because of sekhona vele abantu bayayithanda bayalandela mara ayi macala ama royalties zowathola kuma ulimi
abazi ukuthi ukuthi ngama feelings ngibhale ngama feelings ngokuthi ngibheke wena yabo
abazi mara sebayazi ushilo kula manje sewushilo already and lento lo dude yazi ukuthi injani lento le macala yaphela ke le ukuthi uze chartini imacala yazi ziningi izinto engizenzile mfiri ngisitshela ukuthi ngizenza vele ngumngane kanti wena usithatha yo macala
so after iminyaka emingami nawe uzizwana ufuna ukutshela ukuthi
sizwana phela sizwana ngomusic sizwana ngokuthi mawulethu basebenza ndawonye abangane from vele esigila bona nabo nathi from esigila mara ukuthi le yakho macala le yakho yabona labantu obatshelayo manje hayi ingathi
Wena udlalela lenye team.
hayi
Wena impintsha yakho ayincane.
awuthami mara ngeke ngimthande ngalezo zinto zokuthi manje
Yamncane ezi out yakho.
awuthami ya mara
Manje ufuna uqeda ubungani bakho. Ufuna uqeda ubungani bakho ngokuthi uconfess ama feelings wakhe.
because of angeke ngikhone nami ukuhlala after 9 izobe njani yeah like
So now you prefer ukuthi angakutsheli ukuthi yena uzizwa kanjani ngawe. Uyibone
nayo lento leyo ibe kuye sichubeke ngomusic size sibe nemali size sidume sibe njani siyenza izinto achubeke nobujita like senze manje awu macala uyayimosha uyajika manje ungitshela istory alesi story macala yo ayangicala uyibone so
So when what do you want kulo bungani benu manje? What do you prefer? Ufuna uqeda ubungani benu because of ama feelings wakhe that he has confessed.
Yeah.
Awufuna ukuthi mhlambe advise and you guys still be friends.
Ngamnika ama-plan if uzokhona naye because of wayanda like imacala kanti wayanda boyenzani wayanda wonke la malanga lawo ayanda bekwenzakalani ayanda wena
Abesidlala.
menenza
Besidlala.
benidlala umenza umngane wakho umthi chomi macala hayi kimpere ayeke sasebenza because so ungibonisile ukuthi hayi macala
So angisasumngani wakho.
Wena ufuna aqhubeke abe umngani wakho. Besides ama feelings, let's put ama feelings aside.
Yeah.
And then
Inkinga ukuthi
akunankinga lapho.
You can singachubeka musiwe
Ngisho
mama.
macala kusho ukuthi wena from namhlanje angeke
Angithi ungifila uthami. Awunama feelings ami so
like marana from namhlanje wena uzobe angazi so thi masingena ejardini yabo mepweni sale getini yabo
for in manje.
because of uzongijikela ngelinye la
Yeah.
ungangijikela angisakuthembi from now
awusamthembi.
never
Mara ubungani benu you guys are continuing bu friendship.
uphelelana ukuthi
Uzophelela ngaphandle.
yeah because of sometimes uzomdinga for ukuthi ayo performa lezi ngoma vele sishayile
So mara ubu friendship benu you continue. Absekho mnandi. You waiting for ukuthi ni build trust futhi ubungani benu.
akuzoba nzima
Ucabangani?
Ungiphocile ngalento ayishoyo. Benga expectanga ukuthi ungasho kanjalo as outcome yabo.
So nabo expect ukuthi uzothini kuwe mhlambe
Maybe
with you confessing such a big secret.
maybe bekangasho enye into engcono maybe than ukuthi aqede friendship yethu ukuthi wabangani like
manje wena uqale nini macala lento le because of udude lento yenza
ngazofuna ukuchazela kanjani.
ngeke usakhona because of uyasihluleka nokukhuluma manje kushuthi
So waningazama ukuthola isolution ukuthi okay ubungani benu at least buqhubeke ngithola then ukuthi i-friendship imosheke ukuthi uconfess ama feelings ngithola maybe wena so uyazi ukuthi umngani wakho uyi after 9 ngithola you can help umngani wakho ukuthi athole umunye umuntu noma umtholele enye after 9 umuntu ongezwana naye ngithola then ukuthi then ukuthi nimoshe ubu friendship benu. I mean like you guys have been friends from way back ngithola so just for one thing nje kuphela ishilo ukuthi like kunama feelings for wena. I understand ukuthi mhlawumbe uzokubheka ngenye indlela nawe usozongibheka ngenye indlela ngithola
ngisaba manje
so sayakuthusa angithi khona manje you need to give him time ukuthi understand ukuthi umuntu onjani yabo umfunde manje ukuthi okay
siyakhuluma so athi uyena stabani bafethu
Angisho ukuthi ngigay but
kanti
feelings just
ama
feelings.
feelings macala ahambisana nothando
so uthini macala wakhe
Ngiyakuthanda ngoba ngisho ngiyakuthanda
ayisebenzi le ayisebenzi yazi ukuthi mina ngizoyenzani mangicela ukubizwa ayanda kusasa kuzovela umuntu wami mawafika ayanda kusho ukuthi wena sumbhekile mina nomuntu wami sobe sibheke wena no ayanda niyenza lezi zinto vele so sibhekile kuze ube right macala lezi zinto zakho hayi
uyasho ukuthi mhlambe bamthakathile or something
yeah
okay so friendship benu buzoqhubeka
makangavuma ukuthi kusasa njengoba kuzomuntu wami oayando yes kunjani uzovuma ukuyenza phambi kwami nomuntu wami kanjani kuzomela ngibone ukuthi sochinjile or something ngizokwazi ukuba neshona nami ukuthi say on into yami nawo ngeke ngihlale nomuntu engicabayo ukuthi
listabani
eniyangikhalela ukhalela mina wesiphathe engihlala naye kuukuthi ukhalela abanye maybe bengaboni maybe
both understand
yabo bekazomthatha njengomuntu oculayo naye amlethe ku scheme amlethe njengomuntu oculayo bena baphusha into yabo siphushe vele into yethu sonke masesihleli manje uyijikile uboy
so uthini ngoba somtshela into kade ufuna umtshela yona what's your last words to him ofuna ukuzisho
njengomacala wami Donna, let's be continue with friends yabo.
Ufuna ukubeka ubungani
yasebenza yakusasa
No, yakusasa okay, it's fine Donna, I can give it. Flow.
uyezwa
Yeah, ngizombiza Faith.
Okay.
kunjalo-ke hayi kusho ukuthi izinto mnandi on kumaqala hey marumntu hey angeke usangena erumini lami
Tingiva. It is what it is before it was what it was. Your boy M. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We out.